This is Ayush. So this is the UMC fleet management demo. We have created this dashboard, this application to track and maintain the fleet waste collection fleets. And based on that tracking, we are also applying the uh, fines on the for the penalties and just to regulate the things. So here on the dashboard we have total number of vehicles, late started vehicles which are started late, total distance traveled today, vehicle with alerts, number of waste collection in tons in monthly, weekly waste collection and daily waste collection. And along with that, we have in the city we have dumping points where people throw the garbage, and based on the garbage, uh, uh, Nigam Udaipur Nagar Nigam has responsibilities at, presented the tenders to uh, vendors to collect the waste from this dumping point, and based on this we are making this tracking for uh, in Nigam Nagar Nigam we have two shifts, shift 1 and shift 2. In UDA we have single shift, and the total fine for the collection will show up here, and we have collection, total collection in month. This is not yet started, but it's in progress that we are deploying this application step by step. So we have total collection in month, total collection in week, today's collection, total consumers added monthly, and number of consumers added today. How much vehicles are not started today will shown up here. Number of vendors we have onboarded on our portal, and how much vendors have particularly alerts based on their based on several trackings. In the notification tab, we have several notifications where we also have fine notifications, late entry notification, late started notification, late not started notification, long haul notification, and over speeding notifications. If vehicle exceeds speeding limit, we are creating this notifications, and if vehicle speed is greater than 64, we are this is alerts in blue, and in red we are creating the fines. And we have several reports. Let's move one by one. We have vehicle running report, in which vehicle runs. For example, in zone 1 we have Ward 5. It's sorted by zone numbers. Uh, Vehicle number, vendor name, vendor contact, driver name, driver contact if we need to connect with them. At what time vehicle gets started, what time vehicle ignition got off, and what time vehicle enter in particular ward, and when last vehicle exited from the ward, how much time we have late entry, what is the fine of if any fines or some rule negligence, and we have total route time and distance here. So we have all for this total for 102 vehicles here, and we have total number of travel kilometer and number of vehicles as well in the data. We have ward wise report, same that which at ward level we how much vehicles will moving, and what was the fine on them. Samely again vehicle late report, which vehicles are late, fine reports. We have the same sorted by zone level, ward, vehicle number, vendor name, vendor contact, fine amount, fine type, what kind of fine type we are applying, remarks, and we are also providing, for example, this is long haul. We are also providing latitude and longitude, that the of the place where vehicle got stopped, and consolidated fine report for monthly tracking. Or let's example from 1st of August to 11th of August. This is the fine summary, and this is the total here. Sorry, deviation reports. How much vehicle deviated from its previous 7 days path. For example, we are checking for 11th to 11th. The vehicle have deviation. For example, Let's neglect spare ward. This vehicle has 46% deviations from the its path defined defined path, and this is the report here. We also export and save PDF. We have comparison reports that, for example, if I need to compare month by month from May to July, what is the comparison? This is comparison between distance traveled, total number of fines also we are showing here. So this is Ward 1, how much vehicle travels. We can move this to daily basis on a day-to-day level as well. This is fine comparison, how in Ward 1, how much fine we are applicable, uh, and the total vehicle running comparison. This help us to verify that how much vehicle operator vendors running into the ward, and what is the actual number of vehicles we have, uh, just to find out some kind of disturbances in reportings. Let's say, for example, here we in May they have 156 vehicles, in June they have 125, in July 128 vehicles was there. So just to find out these things. Waste collection report. Yeah, so basically Blake line total collection, this is vendor name for blue and green for vendor 2. So this is consolidated complete report for this year, from March to now. For example, in March, Finnish Society collected total 55,000 kilo of waste, and because in March we have deployed this project, so we don't have comparison to the previous month. And in April, they have dropped by minus 0.45 percentage. In May, they have gained 137% from the waste collection perspective. And this is because, and here if we say August, it's still we are on the mid of month, so as compared to previous month it's in negative, but we have grown, as per the chart we have grown simultaneously. And yeah, so here we are talk about the garbage on collection. So we have this date to date, we can switch toggle back between the UD and Nigam, Udaipur Development Authority and Nagar Nigam. On click on this, we have the view of, we can expand this files, and here we have 102 sites photo uploaded from 128, and this is 55,000 of fines collected, created from our portals. And we have vendor vehicle status, for example. So in zone one we have 1,000 kilometers, zone two 2,000, zone three. Comparison between dates and zones, and this is the average distance, average time. We are also showing that which vehicle is integrated. We are getting data from the API, GPS API, or which vehicle is not. If some vehicle is not integrated, we are showing not integrated, but this is spare ward, so we are not applying any kind of fines to them. And dumping site collection, that how much waste we have collected from the zones and dumping sites. We have live map, uh, because yeah, we have currently we have the vehicle collection time is from morning 7 to 12, so we don't see any vehicles moving, or this vehicle is vehicle in colored, in black is ignition off, and in colored is ignition on. So most of the vehicles are off now. In vehicle report beta, both are same, vehicle report and vehicle report beta. If we select what, let's see what select the 3, and for the today date, if I click on get report, it yeah, so we can check that the vehicle path along with the ward boundaries. Here we have marked this first entry in ward, and this is the last exit from the ward, because vehicle need to enter and exit ward for the multiple type. If vehicle get uh, completely filled. Yeah, so we have also the summary, start time, end time, distance, ward entry, ward exit. If we have notifications, it will shown up here: ignition on, overspeeding, ignition of ward entry. This is the ward entry exit timings. So if we need to verify anything, and here we have the fines also. We have a we have provided a facility to vendors to act on fines they have we are created. For example, here long halt. So if vendor feels that this is calculated wrongly, or there is some disturbances, he can provide us actual proof. For example, this is long halt entry and fine date and time here, appealed on, an appeal message that respected sir that the vehicle timely was covered and fault in garage. So please remove this penalty. If authority find this valid based on the screenshot or provide, they can take actions and add remark, accept or reject the fines. And also we can see a view report here for the same vehicles, so he can track into the from the map or their designated route. Fencing was the ward level fencing. Manage dumping sites, to add or manage dumping sites, manage vehicles facility, manage vendor, manage ward, manage users. We have multiple system user level here, so we can define the name, email, contact number, password, ward, select ward to assign to the user. We can also assign dumping sites to the user, so he can add only record for this particular sites. We have vendor options, which vendor to provide the access of the vehicles to the vendor. So here we have options to add property view, update property, payment collection, dumping notifications, vehicle attendance, vendor permission, waste point entries, and based on this we have this application. Yeah, so on edit we also give a provision to new recreate a password, so that we don't need to showcase the existing password. User can also change their password at their level, because this is within the single authority. So Udaipur Municipal Corporation. So we are not provided the registration or forward password option. So that's all for this. We'll attach the applications in next video.